Hello, this is Prasad Gharpure from Pune. Uh, actually, I inquired about the course in Middle Earth HR around 2 years back, but due to some engagements and times, mismanagements, and everything, I was not able to do. But the HR team was very persistent, and with a great patience, they tolerated my just inquiring and not enrolling for almost 2 years. But yes, this time I had managed my other things and could participate in CPTP program, which I always wanted to do it. Uh, the content, to be very frank, it's an ocean, and it's really, as Nandita said, that it's really very difficult that it will be wrapped up in 4 weeks. But whatever the glimpse inside we got in a CPTP are very, very, very important. The thorough knowledge about whatever the test they guided, and they made us to make the project on it. And not only the project, but even they kept on motivating by providing the regular assessment on our project, and uh, the evaluation of the projects on time. That actually keeps motivating to do further things. And it's really nice to even to meet different participants from different backgrounds, and to learn that yes, there is a beautiful saying in the wars, that in the war is very costly, and the costliest is cost of a human. And even in all multinationals, yes, human being is a very important factor. As a management faculty, I can tell. And if a person, as a HR person, has really a good glimpse like this CPTP, what actually that person wants to be in, and how we should entertain him as an asset of the organization, CPTP workshop will definitely give a creative, as well as practical, as well as theoretical, and very joyful experience. So though it was a psychological related, or uh, maybe psychology related, or the theoretical things and the theories and all everything, it's pretty heavy. But the content delivered by the faculty, even the support given by HR people, was so nice that even that particular heavy material become really joyful, enjoyable, and still yet practically and insightful learning. Thanks a lot, Middle Earth HR, and I'm sure I will catch up another couple of courses to upgrade my knowledge. Thank you so much.